Whether you're a seasoned homeschooler or you're just starting the path of looking for an alternative way to teach your child, I know how important it is to find a program that works for you and your family and fits your family and not the other way around. And that's exactly why I'm excited to introduce you to Legacy Online School. It's a fully accredited K-12 private online school that's making a difference in the lives of families all over the world. Let's get into it. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I make videos to help you in your homeschooling journey. And today we are talking about Legacy Online School. So normally on this channel, I share with you homeschool curriculum, but maybe you are a parent of a student who's getting older. Sometimes in those middle and high school years, things start to get a lot more serious and you're looking for an alternative path than you teaching yourself. Maybe you're just pulling your kids out of a public school system and you want someone else to do the teaching for you. Whatever the reason is, Legacy Online School is a great option for your family, and I'm going to tell you why. So I just want to walk you through the platform so you can kind of get a look at it. I have a sample student platform here for the different grades. So Legacy Online School offers a range of online school options. So you can do kindergarten, elementary, middle, high school, and they even have IEP programs. All of the schools are private, but what's different about this is that it's not super expensive. It's high quality, but it's still affordable because the tuition is only $149 a month. And they also offer flexible payment options, including monthly, semesterly, and annual plans. And they also have discount rates. So that's pretty awesome. I once did an online school and it was just outrageously expensive. Legacy Online School is an accredited private K-12 institution, and it's recognized by WASC. The curriculum is sourced from multiple accredited providers in Florida, earning a robust and diverse educational experience. Students able to ask questions and speak to the academic experts before you guys sign any contracts, and you can even participate in a trial class to experience their approach firsthand. You also have the option for dual enrollment, AP courses, and extracurriculars. And there's a variety of extracurricular activities. There's virtual clubs, there's all kinds of really cool classes. The kids can also join the groups to get an inside look at how everything operates. Some of them can be previewed through videos on the YouTube channel. And finally, as an accredited institution, Legacy Online School will issue a fully recognized diploma upon graduation. They've created a comprehensive curriculum designed to meet the needs of diverse learning styles. Whether your child is a hands-on learner, a visual thinker, or someone who thrives with live instruction and real-time feedback. And the best part, Legacy empowers families to take charge of their child's education, offering the freedom and flexibility to pursue learning on their own terms, while still ensuring the highest academic standards. Legacy isn't just another online program, it's an award-winning leader in modern education. They've been recognized by the Digital Education Awards for their outstanding work, winning the title of STEAM Learning Product of the Year. And we're also named Parent Approved Best Homeschooling Curriculum for Middle and High School Students by howtohomeschool.com. They offer a personalized learning experience with a mix of live and recorded lessons, one-on-one classes, self-paced learning options, virtual labs, and project-based learning. Legacy Online School stands out because it offers something that so many parents are searching for. Families all across the world are turning to Legacy not only for academic success, but for support, flexibility, and the peace of mind that every parent deserves. So if you've been looking for an accredited, flexible, modern learning path for your child, then I highly recommend Legacy Online School. It's more than just online learning. It's a community, a partnership, and a path to a brighter future for your child. You can check them out on legacyschoolonline.com to see if it's a good fit for your family. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.